Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the peak buy and sell indicator for MT4 and MT5. This indicator is built to highlight peaks and valleys in price so you can see potential buy and sell areas on the chart. In this short tutorial you will learn what the indicator does, how it behaves visually, and which elements can be adjusted. The peak buy and sell indicator is a technical analysis tool that aims to identify potential buy and sell opportunities based on the idea that price often reaches a peak or valley before reversing. It uses a combination of moving averages and oscillators to spot these areas and to look for divergences between its readings and the underlying price trends. The goal is to help traders capitalize on short-term price movements by providing clear, rule-based signals. As you can see in the separate window below, this is what the indicator looks like. The indicator reacts to peaks and valleys in price and uses its internal moving average and oscillator calculations to highlight potential turning points. Bullish conditions are associated with valleys, bullish divergences, bullish breakouts, price above the indicator's moving average, bullish reversal patterns, and strong bullish momentums. As you can see in the window below, over here, the valley just before an uptrend, and again over here, just before an uptrend. Meanwhile, bearish conditions are associated with peaks just like this one, bearish divergences, bearish breakouts, price below the indicator's moving average, bearish reversal patterns, and strong bearish momentum. Its settings include its length or period, its historical bars or history bars, its first time frame 1, and the second time frame for confirmation or comparison, its local mode, which uses data stored on your local device, the online mode, the mode in file, and the history mode. It also has alerts, sound and email, and it also has the signal level, which is this, and the GV, which is the global variable, and also adjust the colors or the levels as you see fit. The indicator is particularly useful for traders who want to enter and exit trades quickly and focus on short-term price movements. It may not be suitable for traders who prefer to hold positions for extended periods, and it may not be effective under all market conditions. It is not foolproof, can generate incorrect indications, and should be used together with other technical and fundamental analysis plus sound risk management. You can download or learn more about the peak buy and sell indicator for MT4 and 5 using the link in the description below. This has been a concise overview from the Forex Geek to show how the indicator approaches peaks, valleys, and divergences to frame potential turning points. If you appreciate these indicator breakdowns, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.